So you go to YouTube and find out how to project your phone screen to your laptop or computer. So you do the same. You go to your start menu, you hit the settings option, normal, you go to the system, and you hit projecting to this PC. But you can see that yeah, you cannot do anything to basically connect your phone to the PC and see its display. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can fix that issue and project your phone to your PC. I'll not be telling you how to do that. There are a lot because I just said there are a lot YouTube tutorials. I'll just put one of them, my favorite ones, and the one that I understood the most in the description, so you can go and learn from there. Because I actually don't know it. It does not really work that well on my PC. That's why, but I know how to get this setting enabled. So today I'm going to be telling you guys that, and make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, so you can get some more videos like this. And let's get started. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Darshak Agarwal, as you all know. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to fix the issue that when you go to your settings, to your system, to the projecting to this PC, and this comes up because you can't click anything. It's just disabled. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable it back, like not back, how to enable it, and you can cast your phone to your PC. Now I'm not going to be telling you guys how to do that because it doesn't work on my computer. I guess it's a laptop, not a computer. I thought it would be funny if I say different things all the time. So I'm gonna help you fix the issue, but my laptop does not work. I tried this way before recording, and I did it. It does not work for me because my laptop does not support projecting on a phone to something. I don't know why, but yeah, that's what the notification bar comes. I don't have proof because I wasn't recording. I did not know that was gonna happen. So let's get started now. So what you have to do is go to the settings. I'm sure you know how to do that, right? And you go to the apps. And you hit optional features. Now you hit add a feature, and guys, make sure you are connected to the internet. It will not work if you're not. Now type in wireless display, and as you can see, it came up before I could type the entire thing. So you select it and hit install. And don't worry, I'm gonna uninstall because I don't want a virus on my computer. Although it's not dangerous, Microsoft provides the feature, so I don't know really why I'm gonna delete it, but I'm just gonna delete it like that. I don't know why. So you wait for the installation to happen. Make sure not to kick off the window, otherwise the installation will just stop and maybe just be canceled. I know it's taking a real long time. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, it turned out I was not. Okay, so as you can see, it's about to be installed. I know it's taking a long time. So as you can see, oh wow, it moved a bit forward. So just wait. You don't have to close. You don't have to go to the other settings. No, it will just stop it or pause it. I don't know, but definitely not gonna continue the installation of the feature. Now you wait for it to completely done. It's gonna just a bit more left. When it gets to the end, it takes a few seconds or minutes more to finish because it's doing the last bit of touches that are actually very hard. That's why they just save it for the last. I don't know why they do that. Why can't they just do it at the first? I don't know. Maybe an error will come. No, I have absolutely no idea about that. And we have to wait. As you can see, it's not moving. If I click it, nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna show this cancel. I don't want to cancel it. I want to okay. So as you can see, I've installed the feature. Now you have to, of course, close the window first. So I'm gonna close it. I don't know really why I went to the desktop and closed it. I just did that for fun. So now you open your settings again and wait for the magic to happen. I'm gonna go to my settings, go to the system, projecting to this PC, and look, it is enabled. Look at that. So like I can do anything I like here. I can change the settings, guys. Literally, you can see it. It's in front of you. I'm really literally recording my screen. Look, I can show you. It's all recording, and we're only into like 3 minutes in the video. I don't know why. So as you can see, this actually works. Now, of course, what they usually do is go to here. They go to, oh wait, project. No, they don't use project. I'm sorry. I forgot about that. You go to connect, projecting to this PC, and that's how they do it. But it doesn't work for me because my computer does not support it. I don't know why, but yeah, it happens, right? As you can see, we enabled the feature, and it now will allow us to cast your phone screen onto your computer screen. Guys, I'll keep one of the links in the description how to project it this way. Do not worry, I'll check the video before actually putting in, because then what if it's just a random video and not even gonna tell it, just like a software? No, I do not want that. I don't download anything. I guess technically I downloaded the feature, but yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more stuff like this. I guess not to, for more stuff for the notification bell. Hit the notification bell so you're the first member of the DGB squad to learn something new. I'll be always come up with new videos like this. Don't worry, I'll never miss any day of posting a video. So till next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.